What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to add family members to YouTube Premium subscription. First thing you should do is to open your YouTube application on your phone. Then you will have to go to your profile and click on your profile icon down below on the right side. Then scroll down till you find your premium benefits option. Click on it. And after that, it will open this page. You have to scroll down till you get manage your membership. Tap on manage your membership. Then it will show this page. Click on premium. Then here you can click on edit in order to add more members. After that, it will show you a page which contains the manager and also the members that you have. You should now click on invite family members and you have a maximum of 5 invitations in your subscription. So click on invite family members, then you can choose whatever family member you want, then click on continue. After that, it will show you this message right here, you are all set. And by this way, there is an invitation that will be sent to the member that you want to add. He will get it on his Gmail. After that, he will have to go to his Gmail and accept the invitation. Then after accepting the invitation, he will get this message right here. Just make him tap on get started. Then he will have to confirm his account details, and after that he will be easily able to use the YouTube Premium and he will be successfully added to your subscription and he will be successfully one of your members in the membership subscription. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.